In this video, we are going to learn about SDN based firewall and the implementation of SDN based firewall. So, a firewall is a system that secures incoming network packets which come from various sources as well as outgoing network packets. It can monitor and control the flow of data which comes into the network from different sources and works out on the basis of predefined rules. Firewalls typically maintains a barricade between a confidential protected internal network and outside networks such as the internet. Now, how to implement a SDN based firewall? A firewall is used as a barrier to protect network computers by blocking malicious network traffic generated by virus and worms. And the implementation requires the installation of Mininet and Box controller. Both are open source tools and freely available. So we are going to first see how this is done with the Mininet. It emphasizes the creation of a simple network topology using Box and Python. Implemented on layer 2 firewall that runs alongside the physical address-based module on Box runtime, the firewall application is provided with a list of MAC address pairs, access control list. When a connection gets established between a controller and a switch, the application installs static tool flow entries in the OpenFlow table to disable all communication between each MAC pair. Then these are the examples of a few firewall rules. In firewall execution in SDN, we check the MAC address against the firewall rules available in the box controller. So if the destination multicast, then flood. If transference is equals to false, either ether type is equals to LLDP or the packet destination address is the bridge filtered address, it is drop. So this is how the filter is done in SDN.